So hi there, welcome to this demo. I've had Inky, short for Incredible, for about a month now, and rather than posting something straight away, thought I'd wait to see how he performed before posting something else. So here's the bin. As you can see, it's been used a few times, but I've emptied it out and it probably needs a decent clean, which I'll post in another video. So let's put that back and do a quick walk around just to show you that, well, I think it's relatively clean, and I set off Inky once every other day, so the whole living room floor is like this. You know, lots of obstacles around, which I then move around. Oh, should lift the bin up and put that away so you can get underneath the table. Hallway very similar. Bit of cat biscuits scattered around, not sure if you can see them. Yeah, so generally not too bad, but then that all depends on what your own level is like. So let's go back to Inky now. Don't want to spend too much time doing this, and we'll hit the clean button and come back after he's finished.